karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox and do a basic overview of victorinox huntsman lite. Okay, so guys, before I open this box I would like to tell you, like, I paid 16 Omani reals for it, that is equivalent to about 42 American dollars. Okay, so now let us take it out and let us see. Okay, so in the box it comes with this huntsman lite guide, user guide, which shows the basic tools which it comes with. Okay, yeah, and again some journal instruction manual, and here it is. So guys, this is victorinox huntsman lite. So let us quickly see what tools it comes with. Okay, so we'll start from this side. So it has a small knife. Okay, so guys, while you are opening and closing the knives, you should be very careful because these knives are really sharp. So small knife and a large knife. Okay, so the blade about on this knife is about, I think, 2.5 inches. Okay, so then what else? Then it has a scissor. Okay, so you can cut different things from it using it, and it is really a very well made scissor, solid one. Okay, then what else? Okay, then there is a Phillips screwdriver, and then there is a flashlight which is really bright. Then what is the next tool? Okay, so then you have flathead screwdriver with the wire stripper, and then so then another small flathead screwdriver with can opener, and then you have the saw, wood saw is also with it. Okay, so then what's on the other side? Okay, so then we have a cork opener, and cork opener, it has this, it comes with this small screwdriver to work on the small things like your watches and all that. Okay, then it has a carrying hook, you can carry the different things with this. And then okay, so then you also have the sew tool or the punch, you can punch holes and you can stitch things with it. Okay, if you know how to use it, there are many videos on YouTube which can teach you that. And then it has a keychain. Okay, and then as a standard tweezers, or some people call them as pluckers. And then it also has a pen, so let us try it. So here it is, let me write. A pen is smooth. It works like a breeze. So then with pen, it has the toothpick. So guys, this was victorinox huntsman lite. So guys, if you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos for EDC reviews, watch reviews, knives reviews, and stuff like that. So all of you guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned.